Good morning everyone. How are you all? Fine? Good. So class, we have already started our chapter number 13, perimeter and area, right? We have already started this chapter and now we have to start exercise 13.3. And exercise 13.3, it is the questions are based on circle. So today we will study about the circle, and I think you all know about the circle and its term. But again we will recall it. Okay, what is circle? This is circle, right? And the fixed point of the circle is called center. The fixed point of the circle is called center, and it is represented by any capital letter. Here I am representing the center by O. Okay, and the boundary of the circle this the arc is called the circumference of the circle. The arc is called the circumference of the circle. It is denoted by the capital letter C. Here, look at here, this is denoted by capital letter C. Okay, circumference C, and the value and it is equal to 2 pi r. I will introduce you about it later. Okay, so what is circumference? Circumference is the boundary of the circle. Okay, so boundary of the circle is circumference and it is denoted by a capital letter C. And you all know about the radius. What is radius? The distance between the center and the circumference is called its radius. ठीक है, it is constant क्योंकि radius क्या होते हैं, सारे equal होते हैं, all are constant. ठीक है, so here OP is the radius and we denote radius by the small letter r. Okay, and what is chord? What is chord? The 2 points, the line joining the 2 points of circumference. The line joining the 2 points of circumference is called chord. So this is the chord. Okay, and next we will move with the diameter. What is diameter? The longest chord or the chord passing through the center is called the diameter. Okay, it is the longest chord, and the or you can say the line passes through or the chord passes through the center is called diameter. Okay, and diameter is denoted by the small letter d, and it is equal to the twice of radius, means d is equal to 2r. Okay, because look at here, this and this part is radius and this part is also radius, so we can say it is twice of radius, so that's why diameter is equal to 2r. Okay, or you can say that radius is equal to half of diameter. है ना, both we can say that radius is equal to half of diameter, or you can say that diameter is equal to twice of radius. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to study about the perimeter and area of the circle. So class, so its perimeter is, the perimeter of the circle is circumference of the circle, and the formula of it is 2 pi r. 2 pi r, where r is the radius, c is circumference, and what is the pi? Pi is a constant. Pi is a constant, and the value of the pi is 22/7. It is constant. ठीक है, so it is constant and value of the pi is 22/7, or pi is equal to 3.14. Its value is 3.14. Sometimes we use 22/7 and sometimes we use 3.14. Okay, according to the question we will use it. Okay, so circumference is equal to c is equal to 2 pi r. If I am asking what will be the perimeter of the circle, you have to say that ma'am, circumference is called the perimeter of the circle. Okay, so perimeter of the circle, or you can say circumference of the circle, both are same. Now we will move to the area of the circle. So what is the area of the circle? Look at here, area is pi r square. Area is pi r square, where r is what? R is the radius of the circle and pi is a constant. The value of the pi is 22/7 or 3.14. Okay class, so circumference, or you can say perimeter of the circle, c is equal to 2 pi r and area is equal to pi r square. This I have already told you in the class, right? So take out your copy, write down the date and exercise 13.3 in your fair copy. 13.3. Firstly we will write the formula. Okay, area and perimeter of the circle. So write down Have you taken out? Okay, good. So exercise 13.3 you have to write date, and exercise 13.3 and perimeter of the circle. Perimeter of circle. This two formulae you have to write. Okay. So perimeter of circle is 2 pi r. Is 2 pi r. Where is 2 pi r? Where r is what? R is radius, है ना? What is r? R equal to, or you can say r is radius of circle. And what is pi? Pi is constant. Pi is constant. Pi is constant, and the value of the pi is 22/7 OR, or 3.14. Okay. Now area of the circle. Area of the circle. Yes, what is the area of the circle? Area of the circle is pi r square, right? So it is pi r square. Writing should be very neat and clean, okay class? So this is perimeter of the circle and area of the circle. Perimeter of the circle is also called the circumference of the circle. Got it? So let's move on the exercise. Exercise 13.3. Exercise 13.3. Question number 1. Write down question number 1. Write down question number 1, part 2. Question number 1, part 2. Question number 1, part 2. Question number 1 is find the circumference of the circles with the following radius. Okay, and the radius is 21 centimeter. Means what is given here? Radius. Radius is represented by the small letter r. So radius is equal to 21 centimeter. 21 centimeter. Okay. And now we have to find. Write down the solution. Perimeter of the circle, or you can say circumference of the circle we have to find. So circumference of the circle. Circumference is denoted by the capital letter, right? C, capital letter C. So circumference means capital C is equal to 2 pi r. It is 2 pi r. So 2, the value of pi we have to use here. Pi is equal to 22/7. It is already given in the question. Okay, that take pi is equal to 22/7. So here pi is equal to 22/7, and the value of r is 21 centimeter. 21 centimeter. Now 7 ones are 7 and 7 threes are 21, right? So it is 2 into 22 multiplied by 3 centimeter. So 2 into 22 is 44, and 44 multiplied by 3. So 44 multiplied by 3 is 4 3s are 12, carry 1, 4 3s are 12 and 1 13. That means 132 centimeter. Got it? So we have to find the circumference of the circle. So circumference of the circle will be 132 centimeter. You have to write the answer yourself. Okay. Now draw the line. After that you have to note down question number 2. Question number 2 is find the area of the circle. So area of the circle is pi r square, right? And what is given here? Diameter is given here. Question number 2 part 3 you have to note it down. So question number 2 part 3 is question number 2 part 3. Question number 2 part 3 is find the area of the circle whose diameter is so diameter is equal to 9.8 meter. 9.8 meter. Solution. So you all know that diameter, how to find radius. So radius is equal to d by 2, means the half of the diameter is radius, right? So from here you can find out the radius. 9.8, so half of 9.8 will be the radius of the circle. Or you can say that the class, what is area we have to find here, na? Okay, area we have to find here. So diameter is small d. Small d is 9.8 meter. So radius will be r equal to d by 2, means half of diameter. And the diameter is 9.8 meter by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8 decimal, and 0.29s are 18. That means 4.9 meter. Radius is 4.9 meter. But what we have to find? We have to find area, right? We have to find area. So write down the area. I am writing here because I have no space, okay? That's why I am writing here. You have to write it down, okay? Downside you have to write it. So area will be pi r square. It's visible. Pi r square. So value of pi is 22 by 7. So 22 by 7 multiply. What is radius? Radius is 4.9. 4.9. Radius square means we have to write radius twice. So 4.9 into 4.9. So 7 ones are 7 and 7 sevens are 49, means 0.7. What will come here? 0.7, right? 0.7. So it will be equal to 22 multiplied by 0.7 multiplied by 4.9. So calculate it. What will be the answer? I am rubbing the board upside down. Calculate the answer fast. Okay, so it will be 7 multiplied by 22. So 7 to the 14, 1 carry. 7 to the 14 and 1, 15. Right? And decimal is just before 1 digit. So we will write here, draw decimal, put decimal before 1 digit. Okay? And multiply by 4.9. Now do the calculation. I am doing here. Okay? But you have to write it out in your rough page. So 4.9. 4 9 का 36, 6 3 carry, 9 5 is 45, 48, 8 4 carry, 9 1 is 9 and 9 plus 4 13. Okay, and 4 4 is 16, carry 1, 4 5 is 20 and 1, 21, 2 carry, 4 1 is 4, 5 6. 6, 8 and 6, 14, carry 1, 3 1, 4 and 5, 6 and 1, 7. So most of the students do mistake in the decimal multiplication. So look at here class, how many decimal we have to put after 2 digit. Why? Because here 1 digit and 1 digit, that is total 2 digit. So after 2 digit we have to put decimal. So 1 2. Okay? We always move from right to left. Okay? So right to left हमेशा जाते हैं. So 1 digit and here 1 digit. So there are 2 digits. So after 2 digits we will put decimal. So it will be 75.46. 75.46 what? Meter square. Meter square. We are finding area, right? So a unit of area is in square. So square for 75.46 meter square. So write down the answer. Answer is the area of the circle. The area of the circle will be 75.46 meters and draw the line. Draw the line. Okay. Note down question number 4. Note down question number 4. I am rubbing the board. Note down question number 4. Question number 4 is, the minute hand of a tower clock is 1.4 meter long, and how far does the tip of the hand move in 1 hour? It's very easy, right? Right, class? It's very easy. Look at here. This is a clock weight. I think you all have done this, you know. Question number 4. Question number 4 you have to write down. I am doing direct solution. So it is given that the minute hand of a tower clock. So tower clock is like this. Okay? So it is clock 12, 6, 3, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. So the minute hand of the clock, tower clock is 1.4 meter long. This is the minute hand. Okay. मान लेते हैं this is minute hand and it is of 1.4 meter long. 1.4 meter long. The length of the minute hand is 1.4 meter. And it is given that how far does the tip of the hand move in 1 hour. So class, tell me if it revolve 1 hour. ठीक है? So it started from 12. ठीक है? अगर start करें 12 से and it takes 1 revolution, 1 around. So 1 hour. 1 hour meaning में यहाँ here and again it will be on 12. Right? Means it takes 1 revolution. It takes 1 revolution, 1 circular distance it covers, right? So that means ये क्या cover कर रहा है? It is covering the perimeter of the circle. It is covering the perimeter of the circle, right? So perimeter ही तो हुआ, जैसे start हुआ and again 12 o'clock से start हुआ, फिर से 1 hour बाद फिर से वो कहाँ पर आ गया? After 1 hour it is again on the 12. So that means it takes 1 round. And 1 round means circumference of the circle. So here we have to find out the circumference of the circle. And what will be the radius? What will be the radius? The radius will be the length of the minute hand. And the length of the minute hand is 1.4 meter, right? So here radius will be 1.4 meter. Okay, got it or not? Got it? Okay, so that means we have to find what? We have to find the circumference, or you can say we have to find out the perimeter of the watch. Okay? So right here, length of the minute hand, solution, length of the minute hand, and in the bracket you can write radius. Okay, in the bracket you can write radius. Radius is 1.4 meter. So 1.4 meter. And now what is here? Question is, how far does the tip of the hand move in 1 hour? So distance covered by the tip of the hand in 1 hour. So distance, D should be capital here, है ना? Distance covered by the tip of the hand, tip of the minute hand, है ना? So distance covered by the tip of the minute hand in 1 hour. In 1 hour, how much distance it cover? It cover the distance is equal to its circumference, right? अपने circumference के equal ही तो distance cover करेगा. So is equal to 2 pi r, right? How much distance is it cover? It cover 2 pi r distance, means equal to its circumference, right? So 2 pi r, and here the value of pi, everybody knows the value of pi is 22/7 and the radius is given here 1.4 meter. So we will put the things, that means 2 into the value of pi is 22/7 and the radius is 1.4 meter, right? Now 7 ones are 7 and 7 twos are 40, but it is 1.4, so it will be 0.2, right? Now we have to multiply 2 into 22 into 0.2 meter, so it will be 2 twos are 4 and 4 twos are 8, 4 twos are 8, but here after one digit decimal is here, so we will put the decimal after one digit here, right? Meter. The unit will be in meter because we have to find here the circumference, not area. Okay? So the distance covered by the tip of the minute hand is 8.8 meter. Okay? So answer you have to write yourself. Okay class? You have to write yourself the answer in the statement form. Okay? So class, our topic, this is enough for today. So I am giving you the homework. Write down your homework, and your homework is, I am writing your homework here, SW, homework. So your homework is to do question number 1, part 1, 3 and part 4, and question number 2, part 1, 2 and 4. Okay, you have to do yourself in practice copy. So write down, do question 1, part 1, 3 and 4, part 1, 3 and 4, and question number 2, part 1, 2 and 4, part 1, 2 and 4. These two questions only you have to do. Do question number 1 and 2 of exercise. This is exercise 13.3. Okay, so 13.3 in practice copy. Okay. So class, when your school will reopen, I will check your homework, means PC copy also, and your fair notebook also. Okay class? Bye bye.